In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off notifications on MetaTrader 5. If you use MetaTrader 5 regularly, you've probably noticed that it can send quite a few notifications, especially if you have multiple charts, indicators, or alerts set up. These can be useful, but sometimes they become distracting, especially when you're trying to focus or you're using the platform on a shared or work computer. So in this walkthrough, I'll show you a simple way to disable those push notifications directly inside the platform. First, make sure MetaTrader 5 is open and that you're on the main trading screen. At the very top of the window, you'll see the main menu bar, which includes items like File, View, Insert, and so on. Look along that bar and find the one labeled Tools. This is where many of the platform's general settings and options are located. Go ahead and click on Tools in the top menu. When you do that, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you're looking for the item called Options. Click on Options, and this will open up a new window in the center of your screen. This Options window is where you can control many aspects of how MetaTrader 5 behaves. Inside the Options window, you'll see several tabs across the top, such as Server, Charts, Trade, and others. Look for the tab labeled Notifications. Click on the Notifications tab to bring up the settings related specifically to alerts and push messages. In the Notifications tab, you'll see a setting labeled Enable Push Notifications. This is the option that turns mobile and other push alerts on or off. If this box is currently checked, it means notifications are enabled. To turn them off, simply uncheck this box. By removing that check mark, you are telling MetaTrader 5 not to send any more push notifications from this point onward. Once you've unchecked Enable Push Notifications, you need to confirm the change. Look toward the bottom of the Options window and click OK. This saves your new settings and closes the Options window. From now on, MetaTrader 5 will stop sending push notifications based on that account and platform setup. If you ever decide you want them back, just repeat these same steps, return to the Notifications tab, and check that box again. That's all there is to it. You've successfully turned off notifications on MetaTrader 5.